you see animals with this layer of snow or ice on them, this is actually a really good thing. Their body creates an igloo, and it means that they are regulating their body temperature. This actually keeps them warm, believe it or not. Cheese was obviously laying outside. He wasn't under the carport, and his body is doing just great. He's not going to be cold because alpaca hair, you can see there's guard hairs, and also their fiber is waterproof. So this snow is technically not even touching their skin. It's all just sitting on top.